Alright, over. Have a good night, and see you soon. Okay, Toad, you ready to go back?
Yes, Mr. Oliver, I'm ready.
Alrighty then. Hold on to your boppers, and let's get back to the shed.
Mr. Oliver, you did awesome delivering mails for Murdoch. Congratulations.
So what do we do?
I don't know, buddy old pal. Let's just get some rest while we get back to the shed. Okay? Okay, Mr. Oliver.
What's this engine doing on the line? Well, I better talk to him.
Excuse me, sir. What are you doing out here this day? Are you okay or something?
Mr. Oliver, what did he say?
This engine didn't reply to me at all, Toad. So we should get going, okay?
Alright, Mr. Oliver, I just want to make sure that you're feeling okay.
So let's get back to the sheds.